Here we have a 2018 280 SLX model in our showroom. As you can see, it's got an espresso interior and a mocha sun pad. The 280 shows lots of storage space from the aft, with a very deep storage compartment over here, cooler space right here. It's got flip-up rear seating for sun pad in the lake. There's more storage over here, power tower controls and a stereo over this way. Walk-through transom, so you never have to step on the interior. In the interior, we have accent lighting and a couple other different features. This 2018 280 SLX has a power top with a control back here. There's also control from up on the helm. Gives you the clearance you need to go through the lower passes that you need to. This SLX actually has an optional cooler space with accent lighting. Also has a built-in refrigerator. It runs off of 12 volts. We have storage under every seat. Flip up. It's a very large capacity ski locker underneath, with a rear table and front seat filler in that storage as well. On the helm, it's got flip-up bolsters, and the passenger seat rotates 180 degrees. Our SLX has a dynamic digital display. Allows you to turn on any and all of the lights at any time that you want. Control the power top as well. We have push buttons down here for the essentials that are often used. Trim tabs, VHF radio, tilt steering wheel, and stereo controls. If we go to the other side, in front of the passenger seat, we have our head with a vacuum flush toilet system. Small glove box up in the corner.